Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have the third and final spoiler that we're going to get from FabFitFun for our summer box. In case you don't know, FabFitFun is a lifestyle box that's $49.95 a season or $44.95 if you sign up a year in advance. That's what it works out to. It's a lifestyle box that can include skincare or makeup or home goods or a robe, like we have an option of receiving this month, exercise equipment, all kinds of stuff. And I have the third and final spoiler. If you're an annual member, there will actually be 2 more customization choices, but you'll just see them when you sign on Wednesday, which is May 8th, for your customization. If you're a seasonal subscriber, customization will open on May 11th for the 2 that I've given and one spoiler that I'm about to give, customizations. Our first spoiler is exercise equipment. It is the Burn 60 resistance bands, which are workout bands, and here's what they look like. These 3 bands come in light, which is white, medium, which is gray, and heavy, which is red. They are made of TPE thermoplastic elastomer, and the set of 3 has a retail value of $34. If this is what you choose, a great thing about it is, as part of one of the perks of being subscribed to FabFitFun is they have FabFitFun TV, which they actually do exercise shows. And specifically for these bands, they have put up 6 exercise videos to help you learn how to use them and to use them efficiently. Cool. The next spoiler is the Odem What a Pair silicone wine glasses. This is what they look like. This pair of wine glasses comes in a pretty pink pouch. They are 12 fluid ounces, dishwasher safe but hand wash recommended, BPA free, and they have a retail value of $25. Kind of handy for summer. Our last spoiler is from Jennifer Zuner Jewelry, and it's the Star Double Necklace, and this is what that looks like. This necklace has a stainless steel chain with a yellow gold ion plating, a 15-inch chain with a 3-inch extender, and jump rings at 16, 17, and 18 inches. And it has a retail value of $50. So that's the last spoiler that we're going to be getting for this FabFitFun box. And those are the 3 customization choices. You can choose between any one of them as long as they're available, or you can make multiple choices and there is an additional cost for each choice. Now, if you are a select member, you'll have 2 more customization choices, but they won't be released as spoilers. You'll just see them when you go in on Wednesday to make your choices. If you've missed the first or second set of spoilers, I'll put cards at the end of this video so you can check those out. I know you probably don't want to sit through all those again. So what do you think of the spoilers? What do you think you'll choose? This is probably my least favorite set. I don't know that I'll do any additional customizations from this one. I will probably get the necklace because I do seem to wear a little more costume jewelry than I used to, and it looks like a really pretty one that you could adjust into several lengths. So let me know below what you think you're going to get. I will put my FabFitFun link below, and with it you will get $10 off your first box. Thanks so much for coming by, guys, and for doing all of these spoilers with me. I really appreciate you being here. Please give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We are starting in on unboxings now. I already have a box sitting right there that I'm ready to unbox. So I will see you all very soon, and thanks for coming by. Bye.